Breakouts are where the big money hides. The market moves sideways, everyone gets impatient, and then suddenly price smashes through a level and runs hard. The problem is most traders chase too late or get faked out. In this video, I'm going to show you a unique indicator combination that filters out the weak breakouts and highlights the real ones. It only needs 2 free indicators, so even if you're on a free TradingView account, you can use it right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll show you live buy and sell examples so you can see exactly how this works. So let's set it up. I'm in TradingView. First of all, to add the indicator, click on the Indicators tab from here, and then search for Breakout Line by Marco Valente. Add this one to the trading chart. At first it looks faint, almost invisible, so let's fix that. Double-click it, or click on the gear icon on the top right to open the settings of this indicator. Open Inputs, change the breakout line color to white so it stands out. Now pay attention to the close time frame. By default, it's too short. I'm using the 5-minute chart on GBP/USD, so I set it to 1 hour. That means my breakout signals will come from the higher time frame. If you're on a different chart, adjust it. For example, if you use the 10-minute time frame, double it to 2 hours. On the 15-minute, triple it to 3 hours. Always adjust proportionally so you get the right higher time frame breakout levels. Now let's add the second indicator. So open the Indicators tab again and search for Ehlers-Market-State by Alpha Z. This is our momentum filter. Let me show you the settings of this indicator we will be changing. That will work better for 4-hour strategy. Open Inputs and set the slow period to 100, the medium to 50, and the fast to 13. Leave the threshold values as they are. These are the only 3 changes we will do. Then go to Style tab from here and clean it up. Disable the slow and fast state. Disable retracement. Keep only the bar color option checked. And change the state medium display to area. Click OK. If you want the indicator to look exactly as it looks in this video, make sure to do all the changes I have done. Now you'll see a clean colored momentum cloud. Green for bullish, pink for bearish. Here's how the combination works. The breakout line plots a white line from higher time frames. In a bearish market, price stays under it for a while. Then when a candle breaks and closes above it, that's your bullish breakout. In a bullish market, price trades above it, and when a candle breaks and closes below it, that's your bearish breakout. But we don't want to take every breakout. That's where the triple Ehlers comes in. If momentum is green, we only take buy breakouts. If momentum is pink, we only take sell breakouts. Now let's walk through a buy trade so you see the process.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Here we can see the candles are stuck under the white line. Then the momentum cloud changes its color to green, showing buyers are stepping in. In this situation, we wait for a candle to break and close above the white line. It has to be a clean breakout, and the line should be flat or horizontal, not sloping sharply. Another important condition that needs to be fulfilled before opening a buy position is that at least 3 candles before this breakout candle should be opened and closed below the line, showing price was really held down. And another thing to look for before entering is to check the line's last movement. We want the most recent step to be upward, not downward. That shows the line is supporting the bullish push. Finally, confirm that the triple Ehlers area is green at the moment of the breakout. So if all these conditions line up, a buy entry can be taken at the breakout candle close. For a buy trade, the stop loss goes below the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set at 1.5 times our risk. The strategy is really simple to understand once you get the hang of it. We see the price pushed higher with strong momentum and hit the target easily. Here's another buy example. Here we can see, again, price spends time below the white breakout line. Triple Ehlers flips green, and then we get the breakout candle. Before the breakout, we want 3 or more, then 3 candles stuck under the line, which makes this breakout even stronger. The breakout line also stepped up just before, showing a higher level was forming. So here, both indicators are giving us a signal to open a buy position. So the entry can be taken as soon as the breakout candle closes. The stop loss can go under the swing low, and you can set the take profit target at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Make sure to give it a try, it's pretty accurate and amazing. The move runs clean, and the trade is a winner. One tip here is, the more candles you see trapped under the breakout line before the breakout, the stronger the move tends to be. Now let's see some sell trade examples. Here we can see the price is stuck above the white breakout line. Then the triple Ehlers momentum indicator is pink, signaling bearish pressure. So we wait for a candle to break and close below the white line. The line is flat at this point, which is what we want. Looking back, we see at least 3 candles closed above the line before this breakout. That confirms the level was respected. The most recent step the line made was downward, not upward, which is perfect for a bearish breakout. Triple Ehlers is pink, confirming downside momentum. So we can open a sell trade on the breakout candle close. And we can set the stop loss goes above the most recent swing high. And the take profit target could be set at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After some time we can see the price sells off strongly and hits take profit target. Let's go through one more sell example. Here we can see the price has been holding above the white line for several bars. Triple Ehlers is pink in color, showing bearish momentum is building. Then we get a strong candle breaking and closing under the line. We check the conditions. More than 3 candles had closed above before, so the level was tested. The last step the line made was down. And the breakout candle confirmed momentum with triple Ehlers fully pink. One thing to keep in mind is that if the breakout candle is very strong, you can also trail your stop just above each new lower high to squeeze more profit. So to sum it up, the breakout line indicator shows you where higher timeframe breakouts matter. The triple Ehlers-Market-State shows you if momentum agrees. Together, they filter out noise and leave only the cleanest breakouts. No strategy is 100%, so risk management is still key. That's it for this video. If you found value, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy breakdown. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.